Stop struggling with hidden fields in Docusign, and let's unlock transparent collaboration where everyone's on the same page. First, log into your Docusign account and start a new envelope by uploading your document. In the Add Recipients section, carefully add each recipient who needs to view and interact with the document, making sure their roles are correctly defined. Now, drag and drop the necessary fields, like signature boxes, text fields, and checkboxes, onto your document. Select a field, and in the Properties panel, note that you're assigning the field to a specific recipient. The trick here is to strategically use roles, rather than unique email addresses. For fields you want all recipients to see and potentially edit, assign it to a designated role, not an individual recipient. Ensure all recipients who need to see these fields are assigned to this role. Now, when each recipient opens the document, they'll see all the relevant fields assigned to the shared role, fostering seamless collaboration and reducing errors. This setup drastically improves efficiency and accuracy, ensuring everyone is truly on the same page.